beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty, and today I'm back with another video. I'm here to show to you today this wonderful Afro wig that I have made. If you need one of this wig, please get in touch with me on IG at beauty_citrine. Yes, this is a wonderful Afro, as you can see it. And as you can see here, it's have a little curl popping. You don't know, pull on, and it's a crochet. It's a crochet wig, guys. It's a crochet wig. I should have mentioned that before. It's a crochet wig, right? Yeah. Leave me a comment on what you all think about this wig. Would you wear this wig? And tell me on what occasion. Alright. It's a girl Beauty saying thank you so much for watching. And remember, guys, you can support my channel by joining my channel membership, by supporting super sticker, super chat, or by watching my videos and sharing them. Alright, guys, and by watching the ads. Okay, bye now. Feel free to comment and tell me what wig would you like to see me do next. Alright.